Speaking of China, Costco recently opened in China, first time, and it was bananas. So amidst all this trade stuff and tension, U.S.-China tension, ain't no tension in that Costco.
Oh, look at this kid.
That might be tension. I mean, tension in the sense that they're wall to wall. It is just crowded, crazy. So that kind of tension, but no tension as far as arriving, going, being attracted to an American icon like Costco. It looks to me like people still want certain American things, including the Costco brand in China. Though I did hear, in order to avoid the reverse tariffs taking place in China, Costco China had to actually source some of its products from elsewhere to avoid higher costs. So like certain items came from Australia instead of the US that are actually on the shelf in Costco China. But anyhow, they opened this store up outside of Shanghai and the lineup is wild. Around 3 hours to get your car into the parking lot. Kirk, what are you ready to wait 3 hours to get into Costco? Just waiting in your car? What are you going to do? Yeah, what are you going to do? You're going to have a podcast on or something? You're just sitting there waiting to get into Costco. You get the cheap pizza. Maybe you get a hot dog for $2. I don't know what you get. Oh,
look at this.
What are they? They can't pack up.
They're just grabbing meat.
They can't pack it up fast enough, man. I'm telling you, it's just crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Now, apparently, there was already a sort of baked-in hype around the Costco launch because Costco had been introducing its Kirkland products to the Chinese market through other e-commerce sites for a while leading up to this eventual launch, kind of prepping people for the introduction. Also, Sam's Club, Walmart's warehouse style, membership style shopping experience has had a presence in China for a while. So people understood the membership concept and were just waiting for Costco to come. But a 3-hour lineup is pretty wild. It turns out, I guess, the marketplace in China is healthy enough in certain circumstances. I'm reading some of the feedback here on Twitter suggesting that the Chinese market is crucial to American companies. Of course, this showcasing that an American company like Costco can, well, man, they could be quite successful in China. Obviously, people are scrambling under the door as the door's lifting. God. It's like Black Friday. Look, they can't get the chickens fast enough.
Oh, this poor lady who's working at the counter.
She can't deliver the chickens fast enough. A rotisserie chicken, like there's never been a rotisserie chicken before. So it's like the Popeye's chicken sandwich, except it's just Costco in China. You see? Yeah. So anyway, they had to close. They just closed the store down. It was too wild. It was too crazy. So they closed the physical location down. This one just outside of Shanghai, by the way. Costco's stock is up. Things are looking good. And maybe, Will, maybe this is a nice little, a healthy sign that the trade war can end.
Yeah.
And Costco is the answer.
Yeah.
Everybody likes Costco. You see that? China likes Costco. You like Costco. Texas likes Costco. See, maybe the answer to the trade war is
it's more Costco?
It's a slice of Costco pizza. That's all it is. Trump takes one bite and it's over. It's a wrap. He goes, you know what?
Yeah.
I saw the video. I saw that Costco in Shanghai. And I saw the people loved it. And I can get with that. And then that's it. It's squashed. The beef is squashed. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
That's all it takes, right?
Yeah.
Thank goodness, because that was getting complicated. Tariffs and whatnot. I was getting worried. So I'm glad we just solved that.